Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's transforming industries, reshaping jobs, and even changing the way we think. But what does the future hold? Let's find out. From smart assistants to self-driving cars, AI is already part of our daily lives. Imagine a world where AI doctors diagnose diseases instantly and robots handle dangerous tasks. This isn't the future, it's happening now. By 2030, AI is expected to add $15 trillion to the global economy. But it will also change jobs. Some will disappear, while new ones will emerge. The key? Learning to work alongside AI. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI raises ethical concerns, privacy, bias, and even job displacement. The future of AI depends on how we choose to use it. What do you think? Will AI be our greatest ally or biggest challenge? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.